Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1 GameLoop. First, always try restarting the GameLoop application completely and then reboot your computer. A fresh start often clears up temporary glitches that cause these errors. Also, double-check your internet connection to make sure it is strong and stable. These simple steps can resolve many issues quickly and get you back to playing. Next, we will clear the cache within GameLoop. Open the GameLoop application, navigate to the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Settings. Inside Settings, you will find an option to clear cache. After clearing the cache, consider using the Repair Game function if available for your specific title. This process checks for and fixes any corrupted game files, which is a common source of various errors. Keeping your software updated is crucial for smooth performance. First, update your graphics drivers to their latest versions through your graphics card's control panel or manufacturer's website. Next, ensure the GameLoop application itself is fully updated. It often prompts you or has an update option in its settings. Finally, verify that your computer's operating system has all recent updates installed. Running old software can lead to unexpected errors. If your Xiaomi phone is unresponsive or you cannot access the settings, a hard reset using physical buttons is necessary. First, ensure your device is powered completely off. Then, press and hold both the volume up button and the power button at the same time for several seconds. Release them only when the My logo appears on the screen. You can then use the volume keys to navigate the recovery menu and select Wipe Data, confirming with the power button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.